Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Yovanda Aryani. I'm from University Muhammadiyah of Yogyakarta, Indonesia. Well, on this opportunity, I will present my extended abstract entitled Audience Reception of Matchmaking Between Lecturer and Student in the Web Series My Lecturer My Husband Season 1. Okay, the first one is Introduction. Reception analysis is an alternative approach to learning about audiences in interpreting message received from a medium. Audiences, of course, have different perception of message in the media they see. This can be influenced by various factors, including social and cultural background, education, gender, race, nationality, and personal experiences that audiences experience in their life. Audience acceptance of message conveyed by the media can occur in various ways, one of which is through movie or web series. The Lecture My Husband web series is one of Indonesia's most popular drama. This web series tells the story of a matchmaking between a lecturer and a student at a college. The media often portrays matchmaking from various perspectives, depending on the cultural context, social value, and narrative to be conveyed. For inside society, matchmaking can be portrayed as a time-honored tradition that is considered a way to safeguard property and offspring, as well as case's attitude in choosing a life companion. However, nowadays most young people highlight the negative side of matchmaking. Another similar study was done by Billy Susanti, whose results showed that all informants were oppositional. Based on the explanation of the background of the problem above, the study aims to determine how audience accept the matchmaking between lecturer and student in the web series My Lecturer My Husband. Okay, the next is method. The research uses reception analysis with a qualitative approach. Storhall first introduced the analysis. Data collection conducted in the study used an in-depth interview method. The theory used in this research is the encoding-decoding model reception theory proposed by Storhall 1973. Encoding is the process of creating a message by the sender, while decoding is reinterpreting the code to interpret a message. Hall classifies audience position into three decoding. First, dominant reading. Second, negotiation reading. And three, oppositional reading. The study determines 6 informant. 4 university study, 1 high school study, and 1 teacher. The with initial N, D, F, P, T, and I. Okay, the next is result and discussion. The first, understanding the meaning of matchmaking. Matchmaking is a marriage arranged by parents or close relatives to find a partner. Usually, don't forget adolescents who need much adjustment after marriage. The definition of matchmaking itself is, of course, interpreted differently by each audience. As the result of interview that researchers have conducted, and explain the matchmaking is introduced based on the will of parents and leads to marriage, which is done based on compulsion. They, TNT, also explain the same opinion regarding the meaning of matchmaking. They explain that matchmaking is defined as a marriage based on the wishes of parents or family. Based on the above statement made by several informants, according to informant, matchmaking is broadly defined as marriage based on compulsion or the wishes of the family and parents. Okay, next, audience acceptance of matchmaking in web series My Lecturer My Husband Season 1. In the web series My Lecturer My Husband Season 1, the preferred reading or message is about matchmaking that only sentence and badly. It's explained by Manoj Punjabi at the press conference. However, each audience has a different acceptance of this web series because audience are active participants in constructing and receiving meaning meaning from the media they see or read. If a producer can create meaning in the message conveyed through the media, then the audience can recreate the content of a particular message. Differences in meaning arise because of different level of education, social environment, cultural value, gender, religion, and others. N, F, and T believe that the content of the message in the web series My After My Husband is indeed about matchmaking. However, they think that the matchmaking shown in the web series does not reflect good matchmaking because, according to them, good matchmaking is that parents are enough to introduce their children to the choice and give them time to get acquainted, not forcing. Based on the three audience position proposed by Sorhal, the acceptance of in, F, and T informant of the matchmaking in the My Later My Husband web series is a negotiation position. According to her, this position refers to audience generally accepting the dominant ideology but rejecting it in certain situations. The three informants agreed with the meaning of matchmaking in the web series, but had other opinions regarding the matchmaking displayed in the web series. The factors behind the difference in audience opinion are social background, education, race, and experience. D, T, and I believe that the matchmaking shown in the web series My After My Husband has been conveyed and described as a good match. Based on the three audience position proposed by Sorhal, the acceptance of informant D, T, and I toward the matchmaking in the web series My After My Husband is in the dominant hegemonic position. According to the encoding-decoding model of reception theory, the position occurs because meaning structure 1 is the same as the meaning structure 2. According to her, the position refers to a condition in which the audience receives media message as they are. In this case, the message conveyed by the media is naturally also approved by its audience. Okay, the last is conclusion. From the result and discussion above, it can be concluded that the audience reception of the matchmaking between lecturer and student in the web series My After My Husband is interpreted variously by informant, where the six informant in the study are spread into different audience positions, namely, three informants are in a dominant hegemonic position and three informants are in negotiation position. The differences in meaning arise due to different level of education, social environment, cultural value, gender, religion, and other. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you.